Good morning students. Today we are discuss about resonance air column apparatus. It is a very important questions coming to the exam and practical also. Okay, ma'am. So this is a 1 meter of the glass tube. Okay. So one side is here open, another one side is here. You see that closed. So what closed means this is the water reservoir. This is a water reservoir. So this is a 1 meter length of the glass tube. So one side is here open, another one is here closed. So closed is here through that wire tube or rubber tube. We are connected to the rubber. The closed end we are connected to the rubber tube. So another end of the connected to the rubber tube connected to that reservoir part. Okay, ma'am. So that this experiment you are vertically you are stand fixed to that stand. Okay, so near that reading. So now we are taking to that tuning forks. So different types of the different types of the tuning forks we are taking. Okay, now you see that so you see that this is a resonance air column. So this is a resonance air column apparatus is one of the simplest techniques to measure the speed of the sound. So what we are doing this experiment taken, what we are doing means that we are measure to that speed of the sound in the air at the room temperature. Speed of the sound உடைய ஸ்பீடை மெஷர் பண்ண போகிறோம் இந்த ஏரில் at the room temperature. ஓகேவா? So next you see that it consists of a cylindrical glass tube of 1 meter length. This is a cylindrical 1 meter of the length. Okay. So those one end A is open and another end B is connected to the water reservoir. Okay. So one end is here open, another end is here connected to the water reservoir. It's a through to that rubber tube. Okay, so you see that it's a through a rubber tube. Okay, this cylindrical glass tube here is mounted on the vertical stand with a scale attached to it. So it's a vertically is a stand in mounted to the vertical stand in the near the attached to that scale. Okay, wow. The tube is a partially filled. So and next what we are doing that this tube is a partially filled to the water. And water level can be adjusted. Okay, the water level what we are doing, the water level we can be adjust. Okay, the water level can be adjust rising or lowering. So one increase pannu illana decrease pannu, right? The water in the reservoir are this is the reservoir R. Okay, reservoir R. The surface of the water will act a closed end and other as a open end. So in the water is act with a closed end, another open end also. Okay, so now you see that therefore it behaves like a closed organ pipe forming a nodes at the surface of the water and antinodes at the closed end. So the closed end la antinodes. So இந்த இடத்துல ஆர்கான் பைப்பில் நோட்ஸும் ஃபார்ம் ஆகும், இங்கே நோட்ஸ் ஃபார்ம் ஆகும், இங்கே ஆன்டி நோட்ஸு ஃபார்ம் ஆகும், ரைட்டா? When a vibrating tuning fork is brought near the open end of the tube. So what we are doing, so you are taking to the one tuning fork and hit to the rubber cork. At that times the tuning fork is here vibrating. That vibrating you are keep it near to that opening end of the glass tube. Okay, wow. So what happened that times, the longitudinal waves are formed inside the air column. So what happened, you see here, you see the longitudinal waves. This is a longitudinal waves, that is a stationary waves. Okay, this waves is here formed into the air column. Okay, air column. The waves move downwards in the figure. You see the downwards move on the the longitudinal waves moving to the downwards to the air column. Okay, so next reach the surface of the water and get reflected. So whenever it's a reach to the water, it's immediately it is a reflected and produced as standing waves. Okay, the longitudinal waves waves creating to the launch that vibrating that the tuning forks vibrating is creating to that longitudinal waves. The longitudinals going to through the air column. When it's reached to that air column, that times you produce to the stationary waves, that is a standing waves. Okay va. The length of the air column is varied by the changing to the water level until a loud sound is produced in the air column. Okay, so what happened, each experiment you are changing to the water level to the air column. So இந்த air column இந்த வாட்டரோட லெவலை நம்ம என்ன பண்ணுவோம், டிக்ரீஸ் பண்ணணும் இல்லை இன்க்ரீஸ் பண்ணணும். we have to change to the level of the water level, the level the change to the water level to the air column. Okay va. So next you see it is a produce the loud sound and air column. At the particular length, the frequency of the waves in the air column resonates with the frequency of the tuning fork. So it's depend on the tuning forks. The tuning forks, various of the tuning forks we are using to creating to the stationary waves, that is a standing waves. Okay, in the air column with the frequency of the tuning fork at the it is a frequency of the tuning fork, the nature frequency of the tuning fork. At a resonance, the frequency of the sound waves produced is equal to the frequency of the tuning fork. This will occur only when the length of the air column is proportional to the 1/4 இருக்கும். அது create பண்ணுற அந்த sound 1/4 wavelengthல இருக்கும் waves produced. Let the first resonance occur the length L1, then we are taking to the 1/4 ன்னு சொல்லிட்டு, அப்போ 1/4ல wavelength create பண்ணும். So 1/4 lambda equal to L1. But since the antinodes are not exactly formed at the open end, so antinodes எங்க form ஆகாது, exactly it is not formed in the open end. open endல form ஆகாது. you see here not formed to the antinodes. Already I said antinodes formed in the water column, the end positions in the water column தான் antinodes form ஆகும். Okay va. So now you see that we have to including a correction. So we have to correction called end corrections. So நம்ம என்ன பண்ணோம், அதை correction பண்ணணும். அப்போ we have to add it to the E values, that is a end correction we are denoted by the E, small e, by assuming that antinodes is formed at the some small distance. But we are assuming to the small distance only forming to that antinodes the distance. Okay, including this end correction, the first resonance is 1/4 lambda equal to L1 plus E. So இங்கே நம்ம என்ன பண்ணுறோம், இங்கே வந்து ஆன்டினோட்ஸில் அந்த கரெக்ஷன்ஸ் இல்லை, இங்கே வந்து நம்ம என்ன பண்ணுறோம், எண்டு கரெக்ஷன்ஸ் பண்ணியிருக்கோம். அப்போ 1/4 lambda equal to L1 plus E. Now the length of the air column is increased to get the second resonance. So now we are changing to the water level, and again we are using to the another one tuning fork. It's a creating the vibrating, it's a the longitudinal waves is a creating to the standing waves. Okay, again that. So again taking end correction into the according accounts. Okay, திருப்பி நம்ம என்ன பண்ணுறோம், end correction. அப்போ what we are coming the wavelength 3/4 lambda equal to L2 plus E in கிடைக்கும். ஓகேவா, we are get the value. So in order to avoid end correction, so இங்கே வந்து avoid the end correction, ஆல்ரெடி நம்ம இங்கே எடுத்துட்டோம் அப்படி end correction. So let us take the difference equation and you see that so difference in the equation. இப்போ இந்த ஈக்குவேஷன்ஸில் இருந்து செகண்டாக நம்ம கெட் பண்ண ஈக்குவேஷன் வந்து ஃபஸ்ட்டு நம்ம கெட் பண்ண ஈக்குவேஷனை சப்ராக்ட் பண்ணால் கிடச்சிரும். அப்போ you write that equation 3/4 lambda minus 1/4 lambda equal to L2 plus E minus L1 plus E. ஸோ இந்த மைனஸ் இங்கே உள்ள கொண்டு வந்தால் மைனஸ் L1 மைனஸ் ஈன்னு வரும். அப்போ இந்த ப்ளஸ் ஈயும் மைனஸ் ஈயும் கேன்சல் ஆகிடும். ஸோ இங்கே வந்து 3/4லேருந்து 1/4 சப்ராக்ட் பண்ணுங்க. அப்போ என்ன வரும், கீழே டினாமினேட்டில் 4 மேலே 2ன்னு வரும். 3 - 1 2 இல்லையா. அப்போ 2 இங்கே 2/4ன்னு இருக்கும். அப்போ கேன்சல் பண்ணிங்க 1/2 கிடைக்கும். யூ கெட் த 1/2. So அப்போ 1/2 lambda equal to L2 minus L1. So this one we are taking to that del L. Okay va. So del L. So now what come, lambda by 2 equal to del L. So இந்த 1/2 இந்த சைடு போயிடுச்சுன்னா lambda ஓட வேல்யூ we are getting. So lambda equal to 2 dl. So இப்போ wavelength we have to find out, right? The speed of the sound in the air at room temperature. So இந்த waves உடைய sound, the sound speed of the sound at airல இந்த air காலத்தில் speed of the sound நம்ம get பண்ணுறோம் இந்த at the room temperatureல. So that the formula V equal to frequency lambda or 2 frequency del L we have to find out. Okay. So now further to the compute the end corrections we are using the equation. Okay. So அப்புறம் நம்ம end corrections பண்ணோம்னா E equal to L3 L2 minus 3L1 by 2 இந்த values நம்ம find out. இதான் வந்து E correction உடைய values. Okay. So now you see L2 equal to 3 by 4 by 4. Okay. So இதனுடைய value இது பண்ண வேல்யூ நம்ம ஃபைண்ட் அவுட் பண்ணால் 0.75 மீட்டர் வரும். இந்த தேர்ட் ரெசோனன்ஸ் அது போல் L3ல அடுத்த நெக்ஸ்ட்டு நம்ம எக்ஸ்பிளைன் பண்ணுவோம் 5 lambda by 4 equal to 5 by 4ன்றது வந்து நமக்கு என்னன்னா 1.25 மீட்டர் கிடைக்கும். அண்ட் ஸோ ஆன் த since total length of the tube is 1.10 meter, the third and other higher resonance do not occur, therefore the minimum length of the water heads. Okay va? So for the resonance is H minimum வந்து 1.0 மீட்டர்லேருந்து minus 0.75 meter. So இதை subtract பண்ணால் difference 0.25 meter. This is a resonance air column. So very very important. Coming to the detailed questions, then practical also come. Okay, thank you children.